Okay, this one is similar to that one, but it adds another little nuance. So this one's going to be like this. Open A twice. Third finger, 4th fret, A string twice. Second fret, 1st finger of the D string twice. 3rd finger, 4th fret, D string twice. Pinky on the 5th fret of the D string twice. Then back to the 3rd finger twice, same string. 1st finger, same string, 2nd fret twice. And then back to the 4th fret, 3rd finger twice. And then back to the beginning. So again. Okay, hope that helps you out.